Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 11 Crud tutorial with service and new user. So friends, before showing you working demo and for code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen, you can see Angular 11 is working fine with some dynamic data inside data table. And friends, here I'm getting from my data, phpmysql backend. So friends, also you can see add new user button. So friends, now I will click on this button, then you will see modal popup with add new user form. See friends, bootstrap popup with user details form, and here is add button. So friends, now I will show you form input validations. See friends, name is required, email is required. So friends, now I will fill the form. I will write new user 1 and here will be email new user. So friends, please see email must be valid email address 1 at gmail.com. See friends, validations form, and now I'm going to submit form. See friends, you can see pop-up alert in Sweetlet pop-up. Hooray, user has been added successfully. Okay. See friends, new user 1, new user 1 at gmail.com. Now we will check in backend. See friends, data has been added. So friends, have you seen user detail has been added? Fine. Now I will add one more user. First validations. Now I will write new user 2. New user 2 at gmail.com. Now I will submit this form. See friends, users have been added successfully. See friends, new user 2. They will be same. So friends, have you seen Angular 11 tutorial with services? Add new user. Functionality is working fine. Friends, here you can see their table paginations is working fine. You can also see all the details. See friends, now I will show you in database. So friends, have you seen add new user functionality is working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, then please comment on this video. And friends, in my next video, I will show you edit user detail in modal popup. With this view icon functionality. After it, we will do edit user and delete user. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.